Nasaan ang U is for umbrella? Yan, very good. Nasaan ang L is for lion? Yun, very good. Yung D is for doll. Doll. Ayun, very good. A is for apple. Ayun. B is for balloons. C is for car. Car. Asan? Ayun. E is for eggs. Very good. F is for flower. Naku, hindi na yata alam. Asan kaya ang flower? Hindi yan. Ayusin mo na ka. Ayun. G is for grapes. Yan. O, tayo ka na lang. Mahuhulog ka eh. O, yung H is for horse. Asan ang horse? Yun. I is for ice cream. Yun. Oo. J is for jacket. O is for orange. Asan dyan ang orange? Ituro mo na, asan yung orange? Pagkain mo yun. Yun. Ayusin mo yung hawak. Mababali. O, yung K is for kite. Yun. M is for mask. Ano kaya yun? Asan kaya dyan? Saan? Ayun. N is for nuts. Mani. Ayun. P is for pencil. Pangsulat. Ayun. Q is for queen. Ayun. R is for radio. Tugtog. Hindi yan. Radio. Yung tumutugtog yun eh. Ayun. S is for shoes. Asan yung shoes? S is for shoes. Ayun. T is for telephone. Telephone. Hello. O, asan dyan? Ayun. V is for vase. Yung lalagyan ng flower. Ayan. W is for watch. Asan dyan kaya? Konti na. Malapit nang matapos. Watch. Relo. Yun. Z is for zebra.
Mama, kanta tayo.
Ayan. Oo. Yung Y is for yacht. Barko. Ayan, very good. O, tayo ka na. Kantahin mo na yung ABCD. Tayo ka. Ganyan. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F. Basta ko na. Ayun.